What is your name?
My name is Andrew.
What is your name?
My name is Andrew.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do. Yes, I can.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is the time now?
It is 3 o'clock.
What is the time now?
It is 3 o'clock.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
What is this?
This is a book.
What is this?
This is a book.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am tired.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am tired.
What is your favorite movie?
I like Frozen.
What is your favorite movie?
I like Frozen.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I do.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I do.
Where is your phone?
It is on the table.
Where is your phone?
It is on the table.
What do you like to do?
I like to read books.
What do you like to do?
I like to read books.
Can you help me?
Sure, I can help.
Can you help me?
Sure, I can help.
Do you like coffee?
No, I like tea.
Do you like coffee?
No, I like tea.
What do you see?
I see a dog.
What do you see?
I see a dog.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
Is it cold today?
Yes, it is cold.
Is it cold today?
Yes, it is cold.
What's your hobby?
I like painting.
What's your hobby?
I like painting.
What is your favorite animal?
I love cats.
What is your favorite animal?
I love cats.
Do you like books?
Yes, I do.
Do you like books?
Yes, I do.
Are you busy now?
No, I am free.
Are you busy now?
No, I am free.
Where is your bag?
It's under the chair.
Where is your bag?
It's under the chair.
Do you like the weather?
Yes, it is sunny.
Do you like the weather?
Yes, it is sunny.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
What do you want?
I want some water.
What do you want?
I want some water.
Do you like games?
Yes, I love games.
Do you like games?
Yes, I love games.
Can you draw?
A little bit.
Can you draw?
A little bit.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like bananas.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like bananas.
What's in your bag?
A book and a pen.
What's in your bag?
A book and a pen.
Where do you go on Sunday?
I go to the park.
Where do you go on Sunday?
I go to the park.
What do you wear?
I wear a red shirt.
What do you wear?
I wear a red shirt.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm very happy.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm very happy.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance.
Where is your house?
Near the school.
Where is your house?
Near the school.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I love cooking.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I love cooking.
What is your phone number?
It's 4132.
What is your phone number?
It's 4132.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink milk.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink milk.
What color is your shirt?
It is white.
What color is your shirt?
It is white.
Is your friend at home?
No, he is at school.
Is your friend at home?
No, he is at school.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I like summer.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I like summer.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can sing.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can sing.
What do you want to eat?
I want some rice.
What do you want to eat?
I want some rice.
What do you wear in winter?
I wear a coat.
What do you wear in winter?
I wear a coat.
Where do you keep your shoes?
I keep them near the door.
Where do you keep your shoes?
I keep them near the door.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love it.
Is your room clean?
Yes, it is very clean.
Is your room clean?
Yes, it is very clean.
Where do you study?
I study in my room.
Where do you study?
I study in my room.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch it every day.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch it every day.
What is your father's name?
His name is John.
What is your father's name?
His name is John.
Is your mother at work?
Yes, she is.
Is your mother at work?
Yes, she is.
What do you do on weekends?
I play with my friends.
What do you do on weekends?
I play with my friends.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, sometimes.
Where is the park?
It is behind the school.
Where is the park?
It is behind the school.
What do you write with?
I write with a pen.
What do you write with?
I write with a pen.
Is this your pencil?
No, it's not mine.
Is this your pencil?
No, it's not mine.
What is your favorite subject?
I like English.
What is your favorite subject?
I like English.
Do you like to read stories?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to read stories?
Yes, I do.
Can you run fast?
Yes, I can.
Can you run fast?
Yes, I can.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I love it.
Are you in class now?
Yes, I am.
Are you in class now?
Yes, I am.
What do you see in the sky?
I see the sun.
What do you see in the sky?
I see the sun.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, it's fun.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, it's fun.
What is on your desk?
A notebook and a pen.
What is on your desk?
A notebook and a pen.
Do you take the bus?
Yes, every day.
Do you take the bus?
Yes, every day.
Where do you put your books?
On the shelf.
Where do you put your books?
On the shelf.
Do you like rain?
No, I don't.
Do you like rain?
No, I don't.
Are you wearing shoes?
No, I am barefoot.
Are you wearing shoes?
No, I am barefoot.
Can you count to 10?
Yes, I can.
Can you count to 10?
Yes, I can.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I eat them daily.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I eat them daily.
Where do birds live?
In trees.
Where do birds live?
In trees.
Do you like your friends?
Yes, they are nice.
Do you like your friends?
Yes, they are nice.
Can you speak loudly?
Yes, I can.
Can you speak loudly?
Yes, I can.
What is your favorite drink?
I like orange juice.
What is your favorite drink?
I like orange juice.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV and study.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV and study.
Is your hair short or long?
It is short.
Is your hair short or long?
It is short.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, very much.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, very much.
Where do fish live?
In the water.
Where do fish live?
In the water.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning.
Do you go outside?
Yes, I go every day.
Do you go outside?
Yes, I go every day.
Can you jump high?
Not very high.
Can you jump high?
Not very high.
Is this your lunch?
Yes, it is.
Is this your lunch?
Yes, it is.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I like red apples.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I like red apples.
What is your favorite toy?
I like my teddy bear.
What is your favorite toy?
I like my teddy bear.
Are you cold?
Yes, I need a jacket.
Are you cold?
Yes, I need a jacket.
Do you have homework?
Yes, I have some math.
Do you have homework?
Yes, I have some math.